Oh my god! Why she had this many subscribers? She kills animals! Why don't you guys unsubscribe her? She's not nice. I beg you guys, please unsubscribe or try to stop this girl, but I guess. But how the heck she has that many subscribers if she do that? I will still not do a bad thing for just hurt animals. She's drawings are cute, but why does she hurt it? It's so... Okay, I'm getting mad. I'm a pet lover here. I'm getting mad at you. Bro, she just do catch a life, I guess. You just do catch a life when you do that. Maybe you deserve to have a catch a life. You're rude, buds. Whatever you are. You hate her? Yes, I hate her now. Who's this? You're not the real one, but I love that you care about animals. Yeah, I care about the animals. There's no way I'm gonna hurt the animals. That is so sad if you hurt one of your animals. You know dogs the one who protect us when you take care. Okay guys, that's all. I just want to show you guys how I hate this girl. Even if I not even that high to judge her, but still guys, she hurts animals. Okay, I'm getting mad. Okay, oh, I don't want to see animal suffers. Okay, I don't want to see my